time at 220.4. Next in the truck class be Jim Varner from Blair's Mills with an 05 Chevy, sporting a Duramax.
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah! Woo!
How about a hand for him in the Duramax from down the road or up the road? Blair's Mills, Jim Varner having a good time here tonight.
Back goes the other side. Got one headlight on.
How about that? 330.9 for Jim. That is a good full-in Chevrolet. 330.9.
Excellent pull. Out of Harrisonville with his 04 Duramax that always pulls so well. He's running right up there with Jim Varner's. Gonna be close.
Right there with it. He's done something different. You're right there, Rick.
311.1 for Jeremy Schwartz. 311.1 put him in the number 2 spot thus far. LT just told me it was not 330 for Jim Varner.